Hi, are you looking for an ESL job wherein you can use your mobile phone, tablet, or iPad as long as you're connected with a hotspot, mobile data, or Wi Fi? You can teach wherever you are. Convenient, right? Then this video is for you. Stay tuned up until the end of this video because I will walk you through the hiring process of this company. So let me share with you the step-by-step process on how you can ace and be part of Palfish. Since I've been receiving a lot of TikTok requests or TikTok message requests, I created this video in order for you to be guided. But before I walk you through the step-by-step process, let me give you the brief overview of what the company name is and their qualifications. First of all, the company name is Palfish. It has been established to year 2018. This company is based on China. So basically, teaching English to Chinese kids ages 3 to 15 years old. And right now, they don't just teach Chinese, but they expand. Okay, you can now teach Thai and Malaysian students. And their qualifications are at least you're 18 years old and above. Okay, I have list po talaga dito para hindi po mawala. 18 years old and above, at least you are in 18 years old. See, grade 12 is open to apply, no diploma required, and no experience required. Yun yung kinagandahan po ni Palfish kasi they accept newbies or without experience or gusto lang mag-try about online teaching world. So that's all. That's the qualification of Palfish. And let's go over to the FAQs or frequently asked question like saan po mahahanap yung app, saan po makakakuha ng certificate, wala pa akong certificate, mga ganon na mga FAQs. So, let me share with you the process or the hiring process on how you can go over and apply here in Palfish. Okay? So, coming up. If you are an iOS user, you go to App Store and search for Palfish Teacher English Tutor. As you can see here, it is unloading. And click the app. Yan po yung ida-download nyo. And once downloaded, hit open. Yun. And click sign up as a first-time user. After that, change the country or region to Philippines. And input your mobile number. After putting your mobile number, please don't forget to tick the privacy user below. And after that, enter the CAPTCHA number, then get code, then input the verification code from the SMS. Okay, there you are. And after that, set up your profile, play your avatar, and for this, I used my sister's profile for verification. So after that, you're in the portal of Palfish. So click complete information. Okay, so since it is so you can see there. So there, complete information. So provide all the necessary information, fill it out, including your full name, your gender, changed to female, your birthday, your birthday, your email address, your text intro. Okay, for the text intro, you can refer to my profile for that. Okay, so going back, so take a look. So tips po dito sa dito po sa
text intro, dapat marami pong emojis. Kasi yung magbabasa po niyan is yung parent. So you can try to get an idea, okay, on how to create a text intro for that. And also, you can use this text intro for your audio intro. Yun po.
For the nationality, you can upload your PhilSys ID or passport. Pero if wala po kayo nun, you can still upload your birth certificate. Yung kulay green po na birth certificate.
Then upload your TFL certificate from teacher record here. Okay, click upload, use photos or mobile phone album, then input the certificate number, then click save. And for started teaching, gawan-gawan nyo lang po yan. Your address, your education, okay, tapos yung experience, gawan-gawan nyo lang din. Then, after that, click submit.
Then, ito na po yung app if you are an Android user. So, you go to Play Store and click po yung Palfish. So, ito po yung itsura ng app pag kayo po ay Android user.
Then, click install. Yun. After that, same process lang po.
Here's how you can get your free TFL certificate. And for those who have been asking what's the website, so the website is teacherrecord.com. So let's wait for it to load and click the green button and create an account or sign in. Then input your email address, then continue. Select TFL applicant, apply for TFL certification. Continue. Create your own password and continue. Then, create a TFL profile and complete your profile. Enter your first name, enter your middle name, and enter your last name. And for Skype or WhatsApp, you can choose any of the two. Okay, if you have Skype, you have to input your Skype name. If you have WhatsApp, you can input your WhatsApp number. But here I choose WhatsApp, even though I have Skype. Kasi much easier siya sa akin kasi alam ko yung number ko sa WhatsApp. Then complete your education, years of experience, gawan-gawan nyo lang. Then yung nationality, of course, Philippines. And yung current location kung saan po kayo sa Pilipinas. And after that, scroll down. Then for certificate obtain, piliin nyo lang po yung will get certificate after receiving an offer. Then, you'll be directed to another page by confirming your email address by adding your verification code na sinanila sa email na ginamit mo to register. And click create my account. Then, there you have it. You can now start your 120-hour TFL program by clicking the start button.
Then click yes, I agree with it.
And here's the course list. As you can see, it has 13 modules. So what you're going to do is to read the modules, and after reading the modules, start the test. If you want an easier way, talagang lahat naman tayo gustong mapadali, you can go to YouTube and search for TFL certificate answer key, and then look for It's Me, Carmi YouTube channel, So this is the complete answer key from Module 1 up until Module 13. But the downside lang is that once gusto mo talagang mapadali yung buhay mo, di ba? Is ang ano lang niya is you need to wait for 14 minutes in order for you to proceed to the next module. And that's it, guys. Hope it helps. Next video naman po is pag-uusapan naman natin on how to ace your demo sa Palfish. Thank you for watching.